Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to create a folder in the app drawer and a home screen on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE or any other latest One UI 8 devices. So in the latest Samsung device or any other Samsung device, you can easily create folder in the app drawer or home screen to organize the application. Like if you want to quickly access tech related application, entertainment related application, finance related applications, you can organize the application to create a folder. So let's see. If you first we show how to create a folder in the app drawer on your S25 FE. So open the app drawer on your device. Now long press the application you want to create a folder. So here we long press this. Now tap on a select option. Now you need to select the option to create the folder on your device. So select the second application. So we select this. Now select another application. Now we select three application on my device. Now tap on a create folder at the top to create folder. Now you can see create the folder on my Samsung device. So tap on the folder name, enter the name. You can change the, now you can see set the folder on your device. If you want to change this folder color, just tap on folder, tap on a color icon. Now select the color you want to apply to background. Now tap on a done. Now you can see apply color to the background. Also you can add application. Just tap on the folder, tap on a plus icon to add application you want to add. Like we add this, tap on a done. Now you can see add the application to the folder on your device. So quite easy to create a folder in the app drawer. Now if you want to create a folder on the home screen, just tap and hold the app from the home screen and move it to another application on your device. Like we tap and hold app and move it to the another application. Now follow the same process to create folder on the home screen. Long press the application, tap on select, tap on select, tap on create folder at the top. Now you can see create the folder. So enter the folder name and the folder color you want on your device. It will apply to the folder color. If you want to remove folder, long press it and tap on a long press it and tap on a remove. So quite easy to create a folder on the app drawer and home screen on your Samsung S25 FE device. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.